Hey everybody, this is Chris with the Crosscut Crafters channel. In today's rug tufting video, we're making some fan art from the Fallout video game franchise. According to the lore, Vault 69 is a vault that contains one man to every 1,000 women. I'm not sure if that would be a great way to spend the apocalypse or not. For now, sit back and enjoy me making this 2-foot rug. As always, things start by tracing a mirrored image of the artwork onto the back of our tufting cloth. After that's complete, we start the tufting process. Cleaning up the edges where two colors come together mid-process is a great way to speed up the process overall. Mind you, this is not a hobby to get into if you are OCD or perfectionist. Once again, I am using liquid Flex Seal as my binding adhesive. This project required 2 coats. After allowing the Flex Seal to cure all day, I used Loctite spray adhesive to secure my non-skid backing fabric to the rug. I was not satisfied with how well the spray adhesive was binding the fabric to the Flex Seal. So I went ahead and went around the perimeter of the rug, just doing a simple, very wide whip stitch to bind the backing fabric to the rug itself. The next step in the process is shearing the top and the edge. Yet again, this is not a task for someone who is OCD or a perfectionist. If you have enjoyed this content, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. You can also support the channel directly through our Give, Send, Go linked in the video description. We hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time.